Kalamat welcome. What's up, baby? Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, guys, wherever you are. Welcome. Just a quick couple of things. We're doing a big move, essentially. So today we've just got a bit of drifting for you guys, because honestly we haven't had time to do any builds. I'll show you why, but also I just wanted to let everyone know we now finally have extended brake lines. So pretty much all the Falcons, they all bolt in, but they're about 3 inches longer than an AU brake line, which an AU brake line is about 1 inch longer than a BA brake line. So that will help with the lock kits and those people who aren't new. So these cost literally the same amount as rubber ones. So they're now available as well. So if you need them, let us know. Yeah, we're gonna go downstairs and show you what we're doing. So guys, as you can clearly see, a bit of stuff going on. My eyes red, don't know why, something fell into it. 3 days later, what's he doing over there? We were almost left untended. However, unfortunately, I'm going to have a video for you guys apart from this, purely because we're building an engine room, sorting out this shop here, so we actually have like a proper front, and yeah, everything can just be so much nicer. So when you come to the shop, we can actually have a spot where people can come visit, check it out, the stuff that we have. So we're sorting that out. So we used to have a hoist here. It's currently over there. Yeah, we're shifting that off somewhere else. So that's what's going on here. So I thought I'd just show everyone. Right here we've got a turbo sock. It's going into a Skyline. We're building an SR20 over there that's going into a Nissan Urvan. If you know what that is, it's like a 1984, I think, Nissan Urvan. We've got a VQ35 here, which is out of a 350Z, also out of an Elgrand. So we're doing that. We've got a parts barra, 2530, my 2530, I can't remember which car I even pulled it out of. Nick's 2530. So we've got a few things going on in here, so that's why we've made this room so I can have things properly spaced to work on it, because we had a crammed room and we're getting rid of that. So that's it for that. We've been moving hoist. We've got an old Falcon on the hoist up there now. I don't know, it's just been crazy, so we just have not had time. So hopefully next week we'll be able to get back to full form, do the builds we want to do. I know you're looking at my eye because it's cooked, it's feeling cooked. Yeah, we're going to hopefully get some more of the Zoku wagon. I want to paint that thing before Christmas. Don't know how that's going to happen, but we'll see what happens. Also, drift car's still broken, so I want to fix that before Christmas. I don't know, there's a lot of things I want to fix before Christmas. I don't know if we're going to do it, but we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. I don't know what we're going to bring, but we're going to bring something good. Crash, bam. So the office has changed as well. Even though I said goodbye, we're still in the office. This is what we have in the office. We've got our hats, we've got some shirts, we even have F&Sen hats. And also we sell Boss coffees, because, you know, what kind of Japanese inspired workshop would we be without Japanese coffee? So we have that. Also buy some, because it cost me a lot of money. Thanks.